Welcome to the video tutorial for the Webkul Multivendor Marketplace app for Shopify. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and manage commissions. Learn how admins can configure global, seller-wise, collection, and product-wise commissions easily within the app. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, let's look at the global commission setup. To do this, go to your Webkul admin panel. From the left sidebar, click on Commission and then Global Commission Settings. Here, you will find all the options related to how commissions are calculated and applied. You can choose the commission type, either a percentage, a fixed amount, or a combination of both, and then enter the commission value. There is also an option to enable the maximum commission. Using this, you can set a maximum limit on how much commission can be charged from a seller per order. In simple terms, even if the percentage goes higher, the commission will not exceed the amount you have filled here. After that, click on Save. Now, the global commission will automatically be applied to every sale made on your platform. Next, let's move on to the seller commission. To do this, go to Commission, then Seller Commission Settings, and once it opened, click on Add Commission to Seller. Here, enter the seller's email ID, choose the commission type, enter the commission value, and then click on Save. Once saved, this seller-wise rate will override the global commission for that seller's products. Now, let's look at how to set a collection-wise commission. To do this, go to Commission, then Collection Commission Settings, and click on Add Category Commission. Choose the collection name, select the collection type, enter the commission value, and click on Save. After saving this collection commission, the specified rate will override the seller commission for all products under that collection. Finally, let's move to the product-wise commission. To enable this, first go to the Configuration menu, then Product Configuration, and make sure the product-wise setting is enabled. Next, go to Products, then Product Listing, choose a product, and click on Edit. Scroll down to the Product Commission section, choose the commission type, enter the commission value, and click on Submit. Once saved, this commission will override the collection commission for that particular product. This is especially useful if you have premium or exclusive items that need to have different profit margins. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.